The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, but in a tiny house, that heart must beat with extreme efficiency. When square footage is measured in precious inches, designing a cooking space requires radical ingenuity and a willingness to abandon traditional layouts. We're diving into 9 expert strategies to transform the smallest kitchen limitations into highly functional, clutter-free culinary zones. Number 1. Vertical volume, utilizing floor-to-ceiling storage pillars. When you can't build out, build up. Maximizing vertical space is non-negotiable in a tiny kitchen. Instead of standard upper and lower cabinets, consider installing thin floor-to-ceiling pantry pillars. These custom units can hold specialized pull-out drawers for dry goods, spices, or even narrow broom storage, making use of awkward gaps in corners that traditional cabinetry ignores. This draws the eye upward, enhancing the feeling of space.
Number 2. Integrated work zones, sink covers, and cutting board systems. The sink area is critical, but often wasted space. Implement custom-fitted covers, often made from matching countertop material or thick butcher block, that sit flush over the sink basin when not in use. This instantly converts your sink area into essential prep space. Some designs incorporate built-in colanders or garbage disposal access, allowing for seamless transitions between prep, washing, and dining.
Number 3. The mobile island, kitchen carts on heavy-duty casters. Flexibility is key. A standard fixed kitchen island is often impossible, but a high-quality, sturdy cart on locking casters is a lifesaver. This mobile island can serve as extra counter space, dining area, or even be rolled completely out of the way when the main living area needs to expand. Look for carts with built-in shelving or towel racks for double duty. Number 4. Embrace the compact appliance movement. Forget the standard 30-inch range. Tiny homes thrive on scaled-down appliances. Invest in 24-inch or even 18-inch apartment-sized dishwashers, narrow induction cooktops, which double as extra counter space when off, and under-counter refrigerator drawers instead of full-sized upright units. These smaller footprints significantly free up valuable floor and counter space. Number 5. The uncluttering strategy, appliance garages and pocket doors. Countertop clutter is the fastest way to make a small kitchen feel suffocating. Design appliance garages, small cabinet sections with roll-up or sliding pocket doors, specifically dedicated to storing toasters, blenders, and coffee makers. When the door is closed, the kitchen instantly achieves a clean, minimalistic aesthetic, crucial for maintaining peace in a compact living area. Number 6. Light and bright, strategic reflective surfaces. The materials you choose profoundly affect how big the space feels. Opt for high glass cabinet finishes, light color palettes, whites, pale grays, soft blues, and highly reflective backsplashes, such as mirrored tiles or polished glass subway tiles. These surfaces catch and bounce light around the room, visually doubling the perceived size and making the space feel less claustrophobic. Number 7. Pegboard paradise, customizable wall storage. If cabinet space is minimal, turn to your walls. A large, well-designed pegboard system replaces standard cabinetry for holding frequently used tools. Unlike traditional hooks, pegboards allow you to move shelving, hooks, and baskets instantly based on your current cooking needs, making them incredibly versatile for holding pots, pans, utensils, or even small herb gardens. Number 8. Under-cabinet illumination for task efficiency. Good lighting isn't just about ambience, it's about functionality in tight spaces. Install bright, warm LED strip lighting directly beneath your upper cabinetry. This not only eliminates working shadows, but highlights the entire countertop area, making the space feel expansive and ensuring that every inch of your prep area is properly illuminated for safe and enjoyable cooking. Number 9. The magic of multi-depth counters. Not all counter space needs to be the standard 24 inches deep. Designing counters at varied depths, perhaps 18 inches deep for the main run, dipping to 12 inches for a narrow appliance shelf, and widening to 30 inches over the sink, allows you to fit more function into odd spaces. This strategic variation utilizes every awkward bump out while avoiding the bulky look of uniform deep cabinets.